Hey, are you searching for good quality air fryer? But it is very difficult for you which one is best among these air fryers. Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion about which air fryer is the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Dual Blaze 6.8 quart. Without preheating, start cooking. Crispy, juicy food is guaranteed by dual heating elements, precision temperature regulation, and sophisticated temperature algorithms. Air fry, bake, broil, roast, keep warm, reheat, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. Save 6+6 cooking functions with your favorite time and temperature. The 9.4x 9.4x 4.8 in 6.8 QT basket holds up to 17 chicken wings without stacking them to cook evenly. The app allows you to operate your air fryer remotely. Check your cooking progress, and use Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for easy cooking. Get inspired by hundreds of Cosori certified chefs' online recipes. We offer the perfect appetizer, entree, or dessert recipe. Use the VSync app to scan frozen items for cooking directions and nutrition information. Number 2. Dreo Air Fryer Pro Max. Dreo Air Fryer's systematic design and oven-grade smart temperature management make food crispy and tender. 360° hot air circulation evenly warms food. 450° and 360° hot air circulation heat meals rapidly. A 6/8 QT basket feeds 3-5 busy people can make breakfast, lunch, and dinner in seconds. Not needed. Dreo includes 5 cooking modes, 6 presets, and 100,450° temperature. Make yogurt, dry fruit, and roast steak and poultry to customize cookery. Dreo's ergonomic viewing window lets you inspect food without removing the basket. Watching ingredients change while cooking saves time and is fun. Free entrees, appetizers, desserts, snacks, and sides cookbook. Open the book for a multi-cuisine snack. We'll keep flavoring e-recipes. The double-layer insulated basket prevents your hands from overheating, while the built-in sensor pauses and resumes heating. Easy to clean, BPA-free coating. Dishwasher safe. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 4 QT Air Fryer Oven. Instant Vortex Plus 4-in-1 functionality: reheat, air fry, bake, and roast. Even Crisp technology is an advanced technology that directs airflow from the top down, resulting in a flawless golden finish and crispy, tender food every time. One-touch smart programs. Programming options for one-touch wings, roasted vegetables, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and more. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, and golden in minutes from frozen. Create exquisite dishes with a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy clean-up air fryer basket and tray that is non-stick and dishwashing safe. Ideal for cooking quick, delicious dinners, side dishes, snacks, wings, and more. A wonderful complement to any kitchen, ideal for 1 or 2 meals. Download our free Instant Pot app for iOS and Android to make quick new favorites and prepare amazing meals. Number 4. Chefman Digital Air Fryer. The Chefman 5-quart digital air fryer air fries comfort cuisine with 98% less oil. Crisp chicken. Make family fries or reheat last night's pepperoni pizza to perfection. The air fryer includes 4 presets and one-touch digital operation. It has 200°F, 400°F temperature regulation. Add or remove cook time. Use the fryer's simple UI. Share your food with an LED reminder. Cleanup is easy after cooking. After a delightful meal, the basket and pieces are dishwasher safe. 10 free air fryer liners make cleanup easy. A moist towel and mild dish soap clean the exterior. Air fryers with matte black finishes can be displayed on countertops while not in use. It fits easily in your cabinet. CETL approved with superior safety technologies for long-term durability. And Chefman's 1-year warranty means you can buy with confidence. Number 5. Instant Vortex 5.7 QT Air Fryer Oven. Rapid Vortex for a flawless golden finish and consistently crispy, tender results. Advanced technology forces airflow to top down. One-touch programs for roasted vegetables, garlicky potatoes, pastries, cinnamon buns, and more are available. Little to no heating up required. Minutes to go from frozen to golden. With the flexibility of a 120,400 EGF temperature range, prepare delicious meals. Air fryer tray and non-stick basket for dishwasher use. Excellent for cooking side dishes, snacks, wings, and other quick, delicious dinners. A fantastic addition to any kitchen. On iOS and Android, download our free Instant Pot app to quickly make new favorites and cook delectable meals. For your peace of mind, built-in safety features include overheat protection, auto off, and more. You may make countless dishes and appetizers with the help of this grill plate and skewer set. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.